challenge.
What?
I want to do another challenge.
Another challenge?
Yes, another challenge.
Oh, I'm still getting over our last challenge.
Is it poisonous? So you had to eat a couple worms. It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, well, you tried eating a couple of worms. What's the challenge? What's the challenge this time?
Okay. The pause challenge.
No pets.
No,
No pets, no paws, no.
No, like you pause the TV. Like I get to pause you.
No. You're not pausing the TV. I like to play my games, my video games. There's certain shows I gotta watch. I don't want you pausing the TV.
No.
I don't. Let's think of another.
I pause you.
You pause like
you, and you'd pause me back.
Wait. So how does it work?
Okay, so I have a remote, and I would pause. I'd click pause on the remote, and I pause you, and then I can do everything I want to you. So act like you pause. Pause. I will.
No. I can't pause.
Why not?
I'm too cool to pause.
Oh, we're doing the challenge, okay? We're doing it.
Okay. I'll agree to do this challenge
Okay.
if the winner gets an ice cream fudge sundae with extra almonds and lots of fudge.
Okay. That's a good one. If I win.
No. You're not gonna win.
If. It might not happen. Good point. Let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna do a challenge called the pause challenge.
Yep.
So no matter where you are, whatever you're doing, I can just come and pause you. And you have to pause.
Yeah, I'll have to pause.
No exceptions.
Yes, no exceptions.
No exceptions.
Okay.
You just pause.
Okay.
Not PAWS.
Unpause.
Not PAWS, but PAUSE.
So you want me
The stop pause, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's get this pausey started.
Okay, that was interesting. Choice of words. Alright, I'm about to go in there and go pause Daddy. He does not expect this because he's jamming out on the drums and I'm about to go pause him. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big like and turn on your notifications. Okay, I'm going. I'm walking. I'm gonna go get him. Smells like heaven. Can't wait to taste some. Cannot have ice cream without vanilla. God, I'm failing again. Steady there, girl. Steady there. Can't wait to bite into this baby. Best part of my day.
I have it. Shamaya got me really good yesterday when I was playing the drums and she put me on pause. But this time, I'm gonna get hurt. You know why? Because she's in there right now and she's eating her favorite ice cream cone with strawberry ice cream and vanilla ice cream from Haagen-Dazs. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna put her on pause. I can't wait. Look, I want you guys to come with me, but you have to be really quiet. Shh. Not a peep. Let's go. Shh. Come on, guys.
best part of my day.
Shamaya.
No, just one more lick. No, please, more lick. Just one more. Come on, just let me have one more, please.
Pause. Unpause.
Usually never taste so sweet. Why not? That crunch sound, victory. I got my father really good yesterday, but today he got me bad. I was eating my delicious favorite ice cream ever, strawberry and vanilla. Seriously. And then he came over and thought he could put whipped cream on my face. And he also paused me. He didn't think it, but he did it too. But I already have an idea. Look at me! Can't believe him. But I'm gonna get him because I'm winning this challenge. And you guys are going to see Gummy versus real food. If it's the last thing I do.
Oh my God. I love ice cream sandwiches. And I got this big cookie. Look at how huge this is. Look at this huge cookie. It's like the size of my head. Look. I'm gone. I'm here. I'm gone. I'm here. I'm gone. Look, I love these huge cookies. They're called the Big Cookie. So I take the Big Cookie. I'm serious. Like, they really do call it the Big Cookie. Look, it says it right here. See? The cookie. Well, it's not big, but the cookie. Because it's like the biggest cookie ever. So I make my ice cream sandwich with this cookie. Oh my God, look at that ice cream in there. Oh, so creamy and delicious. See? And I put it on there like this. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. So good.
Hey, Dad! Look what I got!
No!
Unpause!
Oh no! Oh well. It's tiny. It's still pretty good.
Hey, Dad!
Huh? What? Oh no!
Yeah, I was just rocking out to my favorite jams. But guess what? We had the greatest time on that challenge. The greatest time ever. And guess what? I think I have a good chance of winning. But I don't know because my family voted. We had so much fun. One of the things we did is I switched Daddy's humongous ice cream sandwich out for a tiny one that's still good. And he switched my ice cream cone for a cone of whipped cream. It was good and delicious, but so rotten. And then I got him when he was jamming on the drums too. He was like this. Don't forget to check that song out. And can you believe it? He almost won. He almost won with that whipped cream. That whipped cream. Well, I don't know if he won, but in my book, I think he might have won. We had so much fun making this video. I hope you liked it too. Don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and turn your notifications on because we post every Wednesday and Friday. Don't forget to like. Slam that like button. and bang us back to back all through your quarantine. Okay, the results are in. For the winner of the Pause Challenge, this deserves a great drum roll. And the winner is, drum roll please. The winner is Gummy Food Challenge, and don't forget to tune in to our next video. I'm not doing spoilers, but we're gonna have a new one. Later!